Hi there, welcome to a video. So today's gonna be a pretty short video. It's just I got a new drawing tablet and I wanted to show it off. So I got this on Friday. It was my birthday and this is what I asked for my birthday. So as you can see, it's the Artist 15.6 Pro from XP Pen, and there's me unboxing it nicely. Yay, isn't it beautiful? You can't see anything yet. But yeah, it came with a lot of packaging. I do already have a drawing tablet, but I really wanted a screen one and they're really expensive, so I had to wait a while to get one. And there it is in the box. Oh wait, that's the stand. Here's the power adapter. I have to use this one because I live in Europe. Yeah. And then here's me struggling to open the plastic bag with one hand. There we go, I got it. Yeah, so there's the stand that holds the tablet. It only has one setting, which is kind of annoying. I wish it was a bit steeper, but like I guess it's fine. I usually just hold it on my lap anyway. So yeah, then it also comes with a little wipey thing to wipe the screen. And here are all the pieces of paper. Yeah, like the thank you card and the warranty and the glove thingy, and the quick start guide, which was very useful. And there's me trying on the glove. It actually fit this time, kind of. Usually they're too big. There's all the cables. It's just one cable put together. And finally the case that holds the pen. There's a pen, and again me struggling to get it out with one hand. I got it out. There. Yeah, I had to put my camera down. But as you can see, it's got a pen, it's got two buttons. Very nice. And then it comes with extra nibs, which is also nice. It also has a little grip thing on the end so that you can like put it on your desk and it doesn't like fall over. And there's my old tablet. It's also from XP Pen. I got it in 2018. See, the old pen is quite different. I like the new one much better. And there's me plugging out the old tablet. Yeah. Bye bye old tablet. Then I had to uninstall the driver, otherwise it wouldn't work on the new one. You gotta install the new one, but for that you have to uninstall the old one. And then there's me trying to do a nice peely thing. Maybe I can try some ASMR, although my microphone isn't very good. So, is this nice? Some ASMR for you. My voice is annoying, so it probably isn't very relaxing. There, I peeled it off. Was it nice to watch me peel it off? Yeah, there's me struggling with the instructions. I didn't know which cables to plug in where. I did figure it out eventually and didn't need the power adapter thing anyway. I finally got it working, which was good finally to have it there. I had a problem with the screen thing, but I figured out you just had to change it to 100% and it was on 120% before, so that turned out to be the problem. I didn't fix it until like later, so while I was drawing, here you can see the program is really like smushed together and I can't see the bottom of the program because because I had the screen setting wrong. But that's like a me problem. Yeah, so now you can see me drawing on the tablet. It works really well. The express keys work well. There's a little turny thing, spinny thing, which is my favorite part because you can use it to zoom. You can also use it to rotate the canvas. So then here is a drawing I did. I streamed on Friday, and I used my new tablet to draw Stella from Winx Club. So yeah, if you want, you can follow me on Twitch, and sometimes I stream there. I'm trying to do it more frequently, but yeah, I don't do it that often. So the tablet itself is like, it's really big. Like I said, it's 15.6 inches, which is bigger than my laptop screen even, which is I think only 15 inches. So yeah, it hardly even fits on my desk, but like I said, I do usually hold the tablet on my lap when I'm drawing, just because the chair I have at my desk is not very good, and it doesn't have, like, it's not high enough for me because I'm really short. So I just put the tablet on my lap, and it's really comfortable for that. It's also kind of like the perfect size that you can like have it as a desk tablet, but also you could theoretically like carry it around in a laptop case. Yeah, it works really well. There is a bit of like parallax on the screen when you draw, but like that's to be expected, obviously. I didn't really notice it much at all, honestly. Like a bit at the beginning maybe, just getting used to it, and other than that, it was fine. Yeah, there's also 8 express keys. I don't need that many, but like it's nice to have them if you are someone who needs a lot of express keys. I just have like the basic like zoom in, zoom out, Control Z, spacebar, and flip from brush to eraser, which is a thing on the pen. Now the pen, I do like it better than the old pen. It's much more comfortable to hold, but the 2 buttons on it, it's kind of hard because the front button, like when you press it, it sometimes accidentally presses the back button, like the one that's higher up, which is a bit annoying. So it ends up like switching from brush to eraser, and then I accidentally erase what I was just drawing, even though I just like wanted to left click. I just wanted to left click on something. So yeah, that's a little annoying. I did get a bit more used to it as time went on, so I guess it's just a matter of like getting used to how to hold the pen. Also, something that happened is while I was trying to play some music, for some reason my laptop thought that the drawing tablet would play the music, but there's like no speakers on it, so why would it do that? So yeah, I had to change that. Like I was wondering, oh my god, where did my music go? But I just had to change from where it was supposed to be playing from, which was my laptop, not the drawing tablet. The color thing is also something that I was a bit confused about. So the way the colors show up on the drawing tablet are kind of different from on my laptop screen. And I was kind of worried while I was making the art. Like in the speed paint here, you can only see the sketch because that's the only part I recorded. But while I was coloring it in, the colors would show up different, and I was worried that in the end I would like export the image and it would just be completely the wrong colors. But in the end it did work out. Like I saved it and it showed up as the correct colors, so I guess there were no problems there. I did set the settings to sRGB. No, I don't know what. I set the settings to something. But yeah, it worked out in the end, so I guess it wasn't a problem. But it is a bit confusing if you have the drawing up on both screens, which I didn't have that anyway. Yeah, because actually I set this up as a second monitor. Like you can have it as a reflection of what you see on your computer screen or laptop screen, or you can have it as an extension, which is what I set it as. It was a bit confusing at first. It's still a bit confusing because like when I have the mouse, you have to like swish the mouse to the side or whatever, and swish it back to the other part to go over there. But it's nice because then I can have like the reference up on a laptop screen and then keep drawing on my drawing tablet without having the screen just be full of stuff like it used to be. So that's really nice. I'm just gonna leave the speed paint now and I'll see you at the end. So here we are at the end. I really like how the art turned out and I liked working with this tablet. So I am really motivated to do more drawing. I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like. You can subscribe to see more stuff. Links in the description to other social media I don't post on. And I hope you have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye!